I've been exploring the Costco Wholesale app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Costco Wholesale app. First, let's talk about what the Costco app actually offers. It's designed to bring the warehouse experience to your phone with a digital membership card, access to Costco.com's extended catalog, and handy tools like gas price lookup, photo printing, pharmacy refills, travel bookings, and even business center shopping for bulk supplies. The idea is simple but effective. Instead of juggling physical cards, paper coupons, and multiple websites, you get one place to shop, check savings, and plan your warehouse trips. Now let's get into the interface. The home screen focuses on the essentials. Your membership card is front and center, and from there you can jump into shopping, savings, pharmacy, and travel without digging through confusing menus. Navigation is fairly straightforward once you get used to where everything lives, and features like the warehouse locator and gas prices are easy to find and use. With that said, not everything is perfect. Some users report slow loading when browsing or searching products and issues with viewing product photos, which can be frustrating when you're trying to compare items on a small screen. There are also complaints that if you switch away from the app during checkout, you can lose your place and have to start over, which feels clunky for a retailer of this size. Overall, the Costco app is powerful and genuinely useful for members, but it still has a few rough edges that could use more polish and performance tuning. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.